Meaning of exhibitor.
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 Exhibitor. An exhibitor is a person, organization, or company that displays or presents a product, service, or idea to an audience at a trade show, conference, or exhibition. They are responsible for setting up their booth, showcasing their offerings, and engaging with attendees. Exhibitors may also participate in competitions or networking events to promote their brand and expand their business. The success of an exhibitor depends on their ability to attract attention, generate leads, and make lasting impressions on potential customers. Overall, exhibitors play a crucial role in the marketing and sales strategies of many businesses.